In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile location on Upwork. Whether you've moved to a new city or simply need to update your contact details, updating your location on Upwork is important for ensuring potential clients have the correct information. Let's take a look at how you can do this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Upwork homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in Upwork's web address, or simply click the link if you have it readily available. Once the homepage loads, you'll find yourself ready to dive into the settings. Head over to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile avatar or picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, look for the option labeled Your Profile and give that a click. This will take you to your personal profile where all your relevant personal and professional information is housed. Now, you should see another option along the lines of profile settings. Once you're in this section, you'll notice different tabs that allow you to change various aspects of your profile. Next, move forward by accessing User Settings. It's crucial to ensure your profile reflects changes accurately. Under User Settings, you'll see a section marked as Contact Info. This is the key area we need. Click on it to proceed. After clicking Contact Info, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Location. It holds a pivotal spot as it records and displays your current location details. To make changes, look for the small pencil icon usually seen on the right side of each section. Clicking this icon allows you to edit the details within that specific area. Here's where you'll input your new information. Begin by adjusting the time zone if necessary. This ensures proper scheduling and communication with clients across the globe. Following that, update your country, address, city, and even your zip or postal code. Each detail is vital for maintaining accuracy in your profile, so double check as you go. Once you've updated each necessary field, be sure not to overlook your contact number. Having a correct phone number means clients can reach you if it's ever needed for a project detail clarification or interview setup. Finally, after all your updates are correctly entered, the most crucial step is to scroll to the bottom and click Update. This saves all the changes you've made, making sure your profile reflects your most current contact information. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your profile location on Upwork. Keeping your information up to date ensures your account remains professional and ready for new job opportunities. Remember, it's always a good idea to review your profile settings periodically. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Upwork experience.